Experiencing issues with your Optus NBN modem? Let's tackle those frustrating LOS and DSL light problems. The LOS light indicates a break in your modem's connection to the NBN network, while the DSL light on ADSL FTTN connections shows synchronization with the DSL-AM. If these lights are off or flashing red, it signals potential connection issues. Start by checking all physical connections. Ensure Ethernet cables between the modem and your devices are securely plugged in. For DSL connections, verify RJ11 jacks are properly inserted. Make sure your NBN network termination device is powered on and correctly connected to the fiber wall outlet. A crucial first step is power cycling your equipment. Unplug both the modem and the NBN NTD from power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. According to experts, many LOS issues stem from simple disconnections or cabling faults. Keep an eye out for damaged cables, especially after infrastructure upgrades or extreme weather that might affect your connections. If your LOS or DSL lights are stable, but you still have no internet, the issue might be with your PPPoE or VLAN settings. PPPoE is used for authentication. Access your modem's web interface at 192.168.1 and ensure PPPoE is enabled with the correct Optus username and password, typically in the format username@optusnet.com.au. Look for the PPPoE settings in the modem interface. For VLAN, NBN uses VLAN tagging, often VLAN ID 100 for internet traffic, while Optus modems often auto-configure for FTTP HFC. Manual configuration might be needed for FTTN FTTC. Access the modem's advanced settings to confirm VLAN ID 100 is set on the WAN interface. Check the advanced settings for VLAN configuration. If problems persist, use the Optus app or website for modem diagnostics and consider contacting Optus support for a port reset. Remember, regular firmware updates are crucial for auto-configuring these settings and preventing issues. According to a 2025 EMA report, incorrect VLAN configurations account for a significant portion of no internet reports.